What about the impact on our business community? News 3 reporter Kelsey Jones live for us at Kill Devil Hills. And so, Kelsey, I know you've been seeing what's been happening on the beaches, but also, I mean, those mom and pop stores that depend on tourists, what are they telling you?
Yeah, I'm here in the northern end of Kill Devil Hills, here at Mom's Sweet Shop, and I spoke with the business owner, and he tells me that his main concern of Hurricane Erin is really just strong winds. You can definitely hear it picking up out here, and although he's aware that high tide is around 7 p.m. and that can bring, obviously coastal and tidal flooding, again, he says his main concern are these strong winds out here. Most people in the area tell me they are riding the storm out on a day like today where the beach is not the safest place to be at because of strong winds and rough surf. The owner of Mom's Sweet Shop says the storm didn't stop foot traffic throughout the morning and afternoon, but he expects things to slow down in the evening.
It's been pretty chill, so I think people are going to just be watching the surf, hanging out in their beach houses, probably hanging out at restaurants and stuff like that. So hopefully we'll see some people later on. If not, we're going to shut it down early. If we start to get busy later on, then we'll stay till 10 p.m. But I don't know, with the way that the weather is today, it is blowing pretty hard out there and might get maybe worse as the day goes on. I know some restaurants are
Derik is the owner of Mom's Sweet Shop, and I just want to throw in there that they have some great food. But when I was talking to him earlier, he tells me that he was on the fence of maybe closing his business down. He was basing it on whether or not, if he continues to see foot traffic, which he has already, he'll keep the doors open. But if he doesn't, he was going to close early, and it's now going 6 o'clock and the doors are still open, so business has been steady. But I recently just got finished speaking with our meteorologist just to get any new updates on Erin. And I do want to point out that they, tell me that high tide again is expected in Kill Devil Hills around 7 p.m. and that's something that we're going to be out here monitoring. So I'll be sharing with you the latest updates of, what I'm learning in Kill Devil Hills. I'm Kelsey Jones, WTKR News 3.
Kelsey, thank you so much. Checking in with the business community and seeing, the other impacts that Erin is having on our area.